Good morning, evening, everybody, wherever you are. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. So we're just sitting down here taking a little early breakfast up at Envy, right?
Yes.
Envy, and we're gonna head up the street and do a little walking vlog today. So just come on for the walk, and we'll see you at the end of it. Oh, yeah, there was a bar here, right?
There was a bar.
Right.
There was a store.
Now it's a store. Okay. They got all kinds of stuff in there: groceries, shoes, handbags, whatever do I see in there? All kinds of stuff.
They're changing. Things are changing.
Things are changing. Bars are turning into stores, mini marts, shopping centers. And this is what they call Perimeter Road, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna head up and do a little walk today. Up.
A Korean part.
A Korean biker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see more and more people now coming out on their bikes and that kind of stuff. So it's pretty interesting how they go. I haven't walked this street since last video I made with you, and
Camelot is closed.
Camelot is closed.
But kimchi is doing really good.
Oh, so this was a bar before too?
No, this kimchi has been always a restaurant.
Oh, okay.
You go all the way upstairs. They have the karaoke bar, which is the restaurant with the karaoke. You go upstairs.
You go upstairs, and then you have then you have.
It's a kimchi restaurant still, but they have the karaoke there.
Right.
Where you could get up and sing and live music.
Now you called it the Old Club Music Bar. So now they're changing it to music bars, sports bars.
Right. And then over here we have we used to have the money changer, Wheeler, whatever.
Right, yeah.
Now it's MC Cafe. It's a new cafe.
MC Cafe. Yeah.
New businesses are popping up. Nice. They did this whole place.
Yeah, and they make like a very nice interior.
In a very short period of time.
Right. Right. Side streets are looking the same. MC Cafe, over 9, I guess. What's upstairs there? Is that?
It's a restaurant.
It's a restaurant upstairs.
They're trying to make this a little bit more family friendly.
Right.
And more like if they're going to open up the tourism, they want it to be like not so obvious, you know.
The red light.
The red light stuff is going
away.
Well, it's not going away. It's going under, I guess.
Going under at this point, yeah. Which I don't mind, you know. I don't hang out in those places anymore.
Right. Getting
too old for that.
Crazy.
And I never really was fond of it anyway, so. So but we're gonna head up this way.
I'm okay.
All right, good. You still have the little shops on the other side. That hasn't changed much. It's just that the girls that are selling these female show entertainment clothing and high heels, they can't be doing too good today.
No.
So we're
Besides, girls, they love shopping in Lazada
Right.
or whatever.
Oh yeah. Well, our ladies for
Shopee, Lazada.
Shopee and Lazada is like.
And you know what? I don't know how they do it, but they always manage to buy something decent, you know?
Yeah.
It's cheap. Clothing in the Philippines is one of the cheapest places I've ever seen.
Right.
With all the traveling I've done.
Right. Yeah, that's for sure. Ah. Reminding you, pull the face mask. Pull the face mask out. Pull the face mask out.
Fear mongering.
Huh?
Fear mongering.
Fear mongering, yeah. Well, they don't know better in my view.
Yeah, of course. People are so easily brainwashed. It was so easy for whoever's in control of this planet, to make everybody wear this stuff.
Yeah. Well,
control.
It was so amazing that they pretty much could supply the entire world with face masks and face shields.
They were prepared for this. It's called a pandemic for a reason.
Right. I mean, having 7 billion of these, we got Euro Hotel here.
No, your bank is closed. Why is it closed? Oh, they closed the whole branch.
Yeah, they closed down the Metro Bank here.
The whole branch.
The whole branch is closed. Yeah, it was in the corner up here. It was a Metro Bank that has been closed. Doesn't surprise me really, because Metro Bank, to be honest with you, they have kind of a service that is not too good, especially with their ATMs.
Yes, I don't know about their customer service, but their ATM service sort of sucks.
Oh, it stinks. It's
they just don't maintain them.
right. Maybe not 9, but 7, 8 times out of 10,
They're down there's no money.
They're down or no money in their ATMs, and that got to be just bad service. It can't be anything else than that.
Like in anything, you develop the statistics. You should know what they need for each one of them, for each one of the locations. But they don't think that way.
Say that again.
I said banks, they should, like everything, each location, they run a statistic to find out how much they need in a particular area, and they obviously don't do that, because if they had the statistics, they would have the maintenance
Right.
according.
Right.
It's all usage based. So it's obvious that they don't know how to do that.
Yeah.
They just opened up this Susie's Cuisine over here.
Yeah, ABC seems like there's not a whole lot of
They
activity.
just opened this up here.
Susie's Cuisine?
Yeah, they just opened this one.
Yeah. Well, that's a franchise.
Yeah.
I've been seeing them for a long time.
They're pretty good too.
Yeah. I never ate there.
Oh, they have good food. And they have all typical Pampanga food, which is
Right.
good.
Al Baccio.
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 Al Baccio, Italian.
Al Baccio, Italian. They actually have pretty decent food.
Yeah.
I ate there a few times. The pizza is not bad either.
Then they have the Milano Coffee shop. I guess they're owned by the same people.
Yeah, bakery, pastry. All right, so this building, let's get up there, and check it out. They've been constructing this for how long?
I remember 3 years.
Right? It's pretty amazing. This building goes all the way from here, way down this way. It takes what, 10 minutes to walk from one end to the other?
It's huge.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's inside of Clark.
Right. Yeah, this is on the Clark side over here, right?
Yeah, the fence separates.
Right. So what is this? Some said it's a mall, some said
It's offices, mall,
shopping center.
shopping center, yeah.
I,
Combination.
I'm just so surprised that they're building all these stores. I mean, you have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of similar things. You got what? How many malls around here? You have
Oh, you got
SM Marquee.
SM Marquee, this one over here, and then you have another one right next to San Fernando, and
next to
there's
San
malls everywhere.
Fernando, and then you have Nepo,
Nipple Mall downtown.
Nepo Mall. And it's man, this building is something else. I'm telling you.
It's huge.
Yeah.
It didn't fall on the earthquake, so that's good. That's a good sign. And it's one heavy building. So.
Yeah. I don't know if I would like to be inside that building during an earthquake, though. I mean, I guess they put a lot of rebar in the.
Oh, it's all steel. It's well built, and it's really well built actually. So they have good quality concrete and good quality steel.
Right.
A lot of it, but it's still a very heavy structure.
Right.
The foundation of this thing must be very beefy.
Oh yeah. It's unbelievable.
And it's also very long, so it's spread out over a long period.
Right.
Over a long.
Right.
So it's interesting. This whole place is closed.
This
One, yeah.
Hotel America, or whatever it's
this
called.
This one is yeah,
It's called
Hotel
it.
America. Closed.
That's entirely closed. Yeah.
The place has been vandalized.
Right. Yeah, it's a lot of it. A lot of it has closed down. I noticed a lot of hotels are having their. A lot of the hotels are having their for sale signs up now.
Yeah.
More and more. So
They closed the street, now they use it as a parking lot for the...
this street.
Yeah, all these jeepneys that used to be in that one hospital that had been closed, but
Right.
they drove them out of that area, of that building, and now they park on this street over here.
So they closed it down here
Yeah,
and
they closed the street down to park the jeepneys.
put the jeepneys there.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
This Eurasia is open.
Yeah. That's a smaller little hotel.
And this is where I come and get my...
What?
There's a few masseuses that work here that are really good.
In here?
Yeah, JP Shen. This is where I met Jessica. And Jenny and...
Oh, you just pick up all the massage girls and date them and
only the cute ones.
date them and discard them. Ah, man,
No.
you're a bad boy.
I don't discard the good ones.
No.
I kept the good one. I'm
yeah.
happy with one right now, and
Hold on to the one you got.
yep, I like her very much.
She's a good girl.
I believe so.
All right, so here we have what do you call it? Nursery.
This is one business that's been blooming all
Ye-
along.
Yeah, it's a blooming business. Yes, you are absolutely correct about that. And they have a lot of good stuff.
They have very beautiful plants here.
Yeah, they cultivate them really nicely, and it goes way back here, right? So look at the way make these things. It's pretty cool.
The caretakers live here. They take care of these things.
Yeah.
It's really a nice. There's a few of these businesses, and I see they're very good at it.
Yeah.
Look at all these beautiful rushes.
Right. Yeah, it's very well maintained and cultivated.
There are some very beautiful gardens here.
Right. Yeah, there is. Yeah, so we're gonna head up, trying to get a couple of 3 blogs in today, and this be one of them. And this was a short little walk up to Louis Grand Hotel. I think it's still open.
Yeah, Louis Grand is open.
And
all the events and stuff.
they have event stuff and all that.
Right.
So
Hey, last Sunday,
yeah,
we went to a christening. It was the first time the church was open. It was nice.
yeah,
It's nice to see people gathering together.
yeah.
Not that I go to church or anything like that, but at least
There's nothing wrong with going to church.
no, but it's
You need to go to church once in a while.
every once in a while, yeah, you gotta shave those horns off. Anyway,
All right. It is nice seeing things returning to normal, and
little by little.
little, we'll get there, and we'll see what the end of this will be. A lot of unknown factors, but we can clearly see, and you can clearly see in the video, things are getting back to normal. The only thing that is not normal is this stuff and all that. So for now, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and don't forget our live feeds on Wednesday evening and Saturday evening, 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That would be 9:15 a.m. Thursday and Sunday in Manila, Philippine time. That's right. God bless. See you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again